How to change video privacy settings on Vimeo account. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. If you are trying to change your video privacy setting in one of your uploaded videos on Vimeo, first of all, launch open the Vimeo application from your smartphone, or you can also visit the Vimeo website and sign into your account. Once you're inside, go to the Manage tab at the bottom of the screen and you'll be taken to the library where all of your uploaded videos will be listed. To edit the video privacy, click on the video you want to edit, and on the next page, which looks like this, scroll down and tap on the privacy option. Inside privacy, you'll see options such as unlisted, private, public, password, hide from Vimeo, etc. Most of the privacy options out there needs the premium subscription, but the privacy option at the bottom you'll see will be private and public. You can go ahead and pick the one that suits your need. If you set it to public, then everyone can view your video. If you set it to private, only you or selected people can access it. And if you have got the premium subscription, then you can also select it to unlisted, password, or hide from Vimeo option. Just make your selection and click on the Done button, and you'll be able to change the privacy setting for your video. So just like that, you have learned how you can easily change the video privacy settings on Vimeo. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.